Hey guys, Sean here. Today I've got an awesome software to tell you about. A software that's actually going to help you in your business. And I'm going to give you a detailed demo of that software here in just a second. But before you check it out, I do want to make sure that you are aware of the special bonuses you get if you pick up this software through me. So below this video, you're going to see a link. And if you click on that link, you're going to see all the special bonuses you're going to get today if you pick up this amazing new tool through me. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the demo.
LeadsMate AI is an innovative solution designed to enhance lead generation and marketing efforts for businesses. This platform leverages advanced AI technology to help users find and qualify prospects more efficiently. With its intuitive interface, users can easily navigate through features that streamline the lead management process. The service offers a comprehensive bundle that includes access to curated lead lists and automated outreach tools. By utilizing AI-driven insights, LeadsMate AI enables businesses to target their ideal customers with precision. The product aims to save time and increase conversion rates through personalized marketing strategies. With an emphasis on reliability and effectiveness, LeadsMate AI is tailored for both small businesses and larger enterprises. Overall, LeadsMate AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to boost their sales pipeline and optimize their marketing campaigns.
Alright, that's it for the demo. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and click the link below to see your bonuses. And also, please like and subscribe. Thank you.